Hello everybody, this is RPG Games here, doing just some teardown, destroying things. I'm just gonna be destroying things. Thinking we do leak chemicals. Here we go. Killing things here. I'm just gonna be messing around in the sandbox and blowing things up. God, this game is so interesting. Look. Smash. 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 Gravity. Smash again. Smash even more. How does it... I mean, it kind of like... Maybe it's connected to stuff? Makes sense, right? I cannot climb up that. That's a monster truck. Oh, is it? Yeah. Move tree. I am so strong that I can move tree. I am Iron Man. I'm just gonna crush these today. Literally gonna do nothing. I am a very good driver, as much as I am good in. How is this thing still driving? No one saw that. Ooh! That is fun. Oh, I could take down like a tower. Or I could take down a tower. I'll take this tower down. Really? Right in between the I'm not sure what I'm doing here. All I know that this tower. Lag. Crunch. Oh, I thought that was gonna come down. Come down to me. Fall. Oh. Oh, that is like right. Yeah, I know what the sign says now. That is like right on top of me if it was not stopped by this building. Oh no. God, this is awesome. Another tower. Ooh, boat. Yep. Thanks, buddy. Super lag. Lag. I don't even know how many frames I'm getting. You know, this game is very good at just taking things out. You know? Take it out. Take your anger out of this game. Because taking anger out in real life, that's bad. This has been a PSA by RPG Games. How can this gun destroy metal? Like, I don't understand. I mean, if it's like tin, I can understand, but these things are made with like steel. Ooh, I should probably pop those off beforehand. It's coming down anyways. Or not. Take all the cables off of it, then just... Ooh, and it's dead. Good. Can't do anything here. Senseless destruction is senseless destruction. one's coming down again. Take these though. Oops. Nice. Let's see if I can weave it in between those antennas. No. Oh, so close. Really? God, that was an impossible shot, and I hit it right above. Nice. Alright, now I'm going to try this one more time, but I'm going to weave it right through there. I can do it. Or under. Through. I guess not. Speedboat must drive into high-speed antenna. Sorry, must drive speedboat at high speed into antenna. Ripped apart an antenna with the speedboat, and my speedboat is now dead. Start. Nope, it's dead. Well, thank you for your service. I am hurt. Well then. Drive. I'm not even doing anything like directional. Fly into a leg. Do it. Ah. Must get onto area. Senseless destruction. Brick wall, me car. I can. Does this have like 1-to-1 destruction? No, I don't think so. Because if anything, then this would happen. Like this is 1-to-1. Break wood. This is 1-to-1. I cannot break this. Cannot break this. Cannot break this. I can break the light though. I don't like you. I am an Olympic thrower. Ooh, can I throw a gate? Yes. Ooh. God, I am awesome. It was here 1 second, then it wasn't. Oh no, whatever shall I do? Guess nothing. Family friendly, don't curse. Just gonna... If I go through in the middle, nothing happens, but if I hit here, the whole chunk gets gone. Like, how does this work? If I go, I can go all day, but if I go, it's gone. This world sometimes. Oh yeah, that's it. Just let me in. Let me in. Fine then. Make my own entrance. Yeah, that works. Totally not looking through things to steal. Ooh. Oops. Oops. Ooh. Oh! Hilarious. Just a smack. Oh, yeah, because I'm hitting the glass this time. See, like glass in the middle? So I smash the glass, go back to my shotgun. Right through. Physics, man. Lag. Okay, that's enough. Now I'm going to do Villa Gordon, because I chose it. What a beautiful view. Time to destroy it. Oh, I can move these doors. What is this? Not sure if this is art or not. I can tell you it's not. Here, let me prove it. See? It didn't stay together like proper art should. Game is fun. Oh, this is a 50. That's awesome. I should know I completed the whole campaign. Maybe I'll do a replay for you all if you guys want it. Mission by mission. Super fast car needs to be driven. Oh, fast. I'm gonna do a track on the speed. Get ready. I am fast boy. I can't race it up. Come on, I'm bad at this. Almost as I am when I speak in English. Fast. Damn, very clumsy. That's just insulting it. Not sure what's keeping the car together. 43.3 seconds. That's a good idea. Ooh, a door. That was a door. And this thing still drives. This thing still drives. Nope, it's dead. Alright, I need you for parts. Give me. You know, actually, you're way too broken. Alright, you'll do. Carry. Damn, no, I didn't care. YouTube, no. Easy. The car's frame will never explode, but the car itself, yes. That is the car itself. No, give me the... I got the car's frame. Okay. So this is, so by itself, if you pick this up while you're standing on it, you fall right through. Nothing happens. But, if you get something like a plank, and then you stand on it, fly. Fly through the sky, I am Jesus. Oh no. No, get on the, get on the car. No, get on the car. I'm hitting her. Oh. Flip. You know, fine. So, you know, if that's how you do it, just put another plank here. I can show you, or not. I can show you the world. This is embarrassing. I'm running into trees. One more time. I can show you the world. Hate you. Anyway, car glitch is awesome. If there's no entrance, make one. 'Tis rule of life. And try this one more time. Where's... oh, here it is. Much more everything. Oh, sorry. I'm sneezing. This is going to be completely unedited because I want you guys to see all the destruction and sneezes. Ooh! Oh, and I hit the world border. No! There we go. Water is scary, and I am teleported? This is real. Let's see what this guy has to offer. Rich house. See you in here. You got food. Very good. No electric mirror. What this is, it's gone now. What is this? Is this sauna room? No. No sauna. Break your pipe. And through here. General storage. Alright. So this is an experiment. I know this is my last experiment because this is a bit long. This is what's going to happen. I'm going to throw as many bombs in this elevator as I possibly can. Uh-oh. This doesn't look good. They're still blowing things up, and I'm dead. Does it reset? Nope. Bad plant. Who dared to find me? Jump through here. Look at this. All the way through. I said that wasn't the last experiment. I lied. More pipe bombs. You never have it. Or maybe you can. Still, more pipe bombs. Do they bounce off each other? They do. So they push themselves, or like their friends. Pipe bombs. More pipe bombs. What happens if this happens? Okay. That was the spawn area. So how will this affect it? I'm in the pool where the spawn area was. It's just a spawn area. Extinguisher. Today's experiment. Car. That's high enough. So I'm gonna get this car, drive it out of here. And you see this little area, this little greenhouse? Go up there. So I don't break the glass too much. Go all the way out. So you can park things on glass apparently. Go back down. All the way. And this time I'm gonna ramp it. I have to get up this first. So that's right. And yeet. Uh-oh. Ooh. Car is still okay. Sign it. This is the toughest car that ever cuffed. Uh-oh. And that's the border. My car. My car friend, no. He lived as he died. In pieces. He died as he lived. I'm not very good. Oh, well, one more should do it. I am dead. Next experiment. How much fall damage will... Oops, that's on fire. Well, I could put this out. Yeah, why Nah, I already put out one fire today. I'm good. Now I need the blowtorch. I'm gonna set things on fire, like this wood here. Fire. Set on fire. 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 Or not. Oh wait, can I set the painting on fire? Fire. Yes! I got some fire started. Heck yeah! This is gonna burn. Because it's only the painting that can catch on fire. Weak sauce. Oh, that's an empty door. Let's cut through this. Oh, oh, fudge. What is that? Is that crossing? Can I destroy this? Nope. Oh, my phone. Shut up. Bad phone. Bad. What can I do here? Ooh, what's this? Fancy car. See me rolling through your neighborhood, you know. You see this rolling through your neighborhood, you know who it is. Harvard Games coming at you. And maybe I think I lost him. Never mind. Random drop. Okay, now we must continue with the experiment. Put another plank. And then we go to Narnia. Ah! Oh, hit his house, hit his house, hit his house. No, it's your house. I'm gonna hit his house. Oh, I can control this thing. I thought I could control this thing. Suspension still works on broken car. Yeet. Oh. Hey, I made it on the roof. My car, though, he's gone. Tires, marks. Where's my car? Oh. He's just sleeping. Don't worry about it. I fell off. Don't worry about that. Ooh, a guard shack. Left of a guard shack. A wall. There's nothing here anymore. Ooh. I'm gonna set fire to his grass just because I'm a... Now this is going to be satisfying. It's a layer of bombs that exploded. How many times have I died? Well, I wonder. See if any of y'all in the comments can wonder how many times I died. Or count, sorry. Not wonder. Cut it. This battle. Oh, I can... That's cool. Can I throw it? No. It must be light. What about it? Shut up, phone! This. Yes, I can throw this junk. Get a bit more aerodynamic. And now, break windows with it. I'm so awesome. Okay, guys. This has been enough census destruction for one day. I'm gonna finish this video by destroying this guy's patio. More destruction. collateral. While I have the fire burning here. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this senseless teardown video. I like this game. I like the destruction. I like burning things. Well, y'all have a good day. Yeetus, brothers.